Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're going to hold a public hearing on the FY22 operating budget and proposed amendments to the FY21 to 26 capital improvements program. The council and our committees will conduct work sessions on the budget over the next 3.5 weeks, beginning Monday, April 12th. Full council work sessions will begin in May. The committee schedule is available on the council's website. Ms. Mass, could you please introduce the speakers for this public hearing?
Absolutely. Good evening, everyone. But before we start, I would like to remind our speakers that each one of you will have 2 minutes to deliver your testimony. I will let you know when your time is up. For those who would like to give your testimony in Spanish, we have interpretation services. Mrs. Diane Lavoy will be assisting us tonight. Para las personas que deseen dar su testimonio en español, tenemos disponible para ustedes el servicio de interpretación simultánea por parte de la señora Diane Lavoy. Solo deben de dejarnos saber antes de iniciar su testimonio. Cada uno tendrá un total de 2 minutos para dar su mensaje. Yo les dejaré saber cuando su tiempo haya terminado. We're going to start with this public hearing with our first speaker, and it is Ashanti Martinez. Mr. Martinez, you may begin your video, unmute yourself, and begin your testimony. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you so much, Ms. Mass. Good evening, Council President and members of the County Council. I'm Ashanti Martinez on behalf of CASA, and I'm here to register testimony on the proposed FY22 county budget. At CASA, our mission is to create a more just society by building power and improving the quality of life in working class and immigrant communities. CASA is the region's largest community organization serving the immigrant community with a growing membership of over 100,000, over 20,000 of whom live across Montgomery County. And over the last year, CASA has been working in partnership with community groups, nonprofit organizations, student groups, teachers, and parents to develop strategies around how we reimagine public safety, public transportation, housing, and how we as a county make improvements to the quality of life for working class communities. CASA would first like to thank the county executive and his administration for the expansion in spending on the Working Families Income Supplement Program. This expansion provides that all I-10 holders in Montgomery County will receive the Earned Income Tax Credit. For the last year, we have watched undocumented and mixed status families be intentionally excluded from receiving federal aid. Many of these families have been the essential workers at the front lines of our economy, yet have been at the last of the line receiving any help. We ask that the council approve this expansion and ensure that we give these families much needed assistance. Today, you will hear from a CASA member on how the expansion would impact her life and the life of her community and family. Finally, as the county begins to decide how it will spend the additional federal stimulus dollars, CASA strongly asks that we are continued to be considered a community partner and service provider, because together, throughout this global crisis, we have worked in coordination and provided countless immigrant and working class families with assistance. Additional resources would mean that for us, we could have additional capacity and additional impact. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for your testimony. Our next speaker is Leslie McDonald.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Leslie McDonald, Executive Director of Nonprofit Montgomery, and I wanted to thank you for the opportunity to testify on behalf of our 190 member nonprofit organizations who serve the residents of Montgomery County. Nonprofit Montgomery strengthens this nonprofit sector through leadership and capacity building programs, advocates for nonprofits and the people they serve, and addresses community challenges through Montgomery moving forward. The last year has shown that Montgomery County's strategic investment in a robust nonprofit sector has been essential for weathering the pandemic. Nonprofits are also essential to the recovery. This year, nonprofits have proven to be essential partners to county government.
So you're unmuted.
Right. Oh, damn, am I muted? Essential partners to county government. Our nonprofits have risen to every challenge, from dramatically increasing food access to providing intensive case management with families. Our youth development organizations have made sure students were engaged with school and helped them navigate online learning. Our mental health organizations have met increasing demands for service. Nonprofits have innovated service delivery and equity learning hubs, which have been then expanded through support of the county. I'm quite certain that county residents are better off today because of their intensive work on nonprofit organizations. To remain strong, nonprofits need cost of living increases in county contracts. There were no increases in FY21, making it difficult for nonprofits to retain their staff and to meet the increases in minimum wage. Therefore, our budget request for FY22 is as follows. Maintain the county continuity for community grants and 1.5% increase for DHHS contracts as recommended in the county executive's budget. Add a 1.5% increase to DHHS contracts for a total increase of 3%, and provide a 3% increase in contracts outside of DHHS and other county departments. These contracts are often overlooked when increases happen.
And your
The total
time,
budget impact of these requests is less than $1 million. It
No, no.
comes at over
Your time is
$800,000.
thank you for your testimony. Our next speaker is Kaisen Taylor.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kyson Taylor. Today, I represent the student organization MoCo Against Brutality. I'm here to express MoCo Against Brutality's demand that the county focus on investing our students instead of arresting them. The first part of our advocacy focuses around ending systems that perpetuate policing of Black and brown bodies, specifically in our schools. That begins, but does not end, with ending the SRO program. We've met with County Executive Elrich and Councilmember Navarro, and we cannot say that the proposed CRO model addresses any of the concerns that we've conveyed. Unfortunately, a program that encourages police presence where student congregates, maintains an unnecessarily high number of police officers, and extends police presence to middle schools will perpetuate the same harm as the SRO program. While the CRO program or model is unable to end the arresting of our students, we have an opportunity to do an immense good by investing in our students and the resources they need and deserve to thrive. Here are our asks. 1. MCPS schools lack accessible therapeutic services. Replacing each SRO with a culturally competent licensed clinical social worker will allow us to support students mentally and address behavior that we view as arrestable under the current system. MoCo Against Brutality asks the council to allot $2.6 million towards Health and Human Services to fund these social workers. Second, MCPS leans heavily on punitive discipline, which leads to irreparable harms on a student's future and the school community. MoCo Against Brutality asks the council to invest in restorative justice training and practitioners in MCPS high schools as well as elementary schools that will allow us to foster a healthy school climate. And third, MCPS schools use SROs to unnecessarily criminalize the behavior of MCPS students, which fuels the school to prison pipeline. MoCo Against Brutality asks the council to invest in services that proactively support students like the Street Outreach Network and after-school engagement hubs and programs that will allow us to adopt a proactive approach to crime prevention. This is an urgent priority and the perfect opportunity for you as council members to wield your power as elected officials for the good of our students. I urge you again to invest in our students instead of arresting them. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony. Our next speaker is Dr. Cheryl Chapman. Dr. Chapman?
Thank you. Good evening. Thank you, Council President Hugger and the other council members present for allowing me to testify today. My name is Dr. Cheryl Rosette Chapman. I'm the Executive Director of the National Center for Children and Families, a former orphanage, now comprehensive regional child and family serving nonprofit headquartered in Bethesda, Maryland. This year, the county executive gave us basically a flat budget, and we are very grateful for that. However, we know that a flat budget is really a decreasing one when the needs are increasing. There are two programs I want to bring to your attention. One is the Future Bound Transitional Housing Program. Our system does not